Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is Wednesday, April 28, 2021. And let's get into the risk disclaimer here. We'll get going. All forms of trading carry high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit at stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer states Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, let's get into this thing. Alrighty, good morning everybody. We're only about 4 minutes to the open, and basically what I want to do is this whole, I guess I'm going to reiterate myself, but these whole videos the past few weeks, I'm trying to show you that the possibility of, if you're staying a consistent trader, one can pass a combine and you can start building slowly but surely into your trading strategies that is required. Now, since we started this little project, so far we're at 52,415, 81%. And what I'm trying to do is do the most conservative trading as possible. And when I'm saying conservative, is doing a trade for maybe $200-300 a day tops. Sometimes, if it just keeps on going, maybe we'll allow it to go. Like the largest gain we've had was $495, and our largest loss was $245. But the key is look at the graph and how you're working your way up slowly but surely. Okay, using the same kind of methodology over and over again, and see if we can get to a profit target. Currently, right now we're at 81%, so we've got a few, and we still have another 5 days of technically trading for their exam. So let's see what we can do. I did have one loss of a net 65, but other than that, it's been green or flat all the way through. And as you can see, 26 trades, and my ratio is slowly creeping up to around 73%. I had a bad phase on the sell phase, and right now today I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading yet. It's 3 minutes in the open because there is an FOM statement at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So usually, sometimes the market can go crazy, or we can wait until that time, let them do their speech or whatever, and then get into the trade. So we'll find out right away here. I'm just curious what the market's more so looking at, or what it's going to look at more so, and then we can go from there. Okay, and let's go to the other charts here first. Let's start, and as you can see, well, I have it on 15, but on the daily chart, let's put it at daily for a second. We are on the buy phase, and we're finally hitting our double top high, so we need that pullback, which I was expecting last phase. So, and the reason why there's two lines here, daily will always mark for some reason my bottom marker, so I look at right at the minute of where my line in the sand is. So it's basically we're actually below the phase again, and let's see if we can get, if it does pull down. Let's see how far it goes, maybe down to this level here. And the reason why I chose that level, on the 4-hour chart, we still haven't, never touched this zone yet. And we've been going up, and you can see the waves, this last phase has been really ugly, up and down, and you can see it's relatively flat. Looks like double top, we don't know, and we can go from there. Same thing on the 15-minute chart, we already actually touched the line at 4 in the morning, so maybe we might get our punch up this morning, I'm not sure. As you can see, if we get down to this zone, I actually did a retracement on a Fibonacci from top to the bottom from, I guess, April 23rd for the past few days, just to see where the swing was happening, and we're getting closer to that 50% retracement in a long time frame. And we're off to the races. Now let's take a look here. Now I'm going to move this over. Switch this over here. See all my charts to see exactly what the price action's happening. It's not, none of my charts are there. Okay. Good enough. Sure. So basically right now we're at negative territory, negative 33 to negative 21. We have a block resistance here, order block, and trend tracker here. Market open, we are above this zone. So if we're above this little hash mark here, now we're going below, back and forth. It's going to be whippy because this is FOMC, and I'm not really interested. But as you can see, if we're playing around within this zone, then what we do, as general rule, is if we're above this zone, we can start going going long. This region right here, this is that 50%, 61.58 on the fib retrace. I took it out of. Is it on this chart here? Maybe not. Let's check something here. Thought I had it on this chart. Turned it off. Let's go fib retrace here. Or fib predictor. There we go. So as you can see where my region is set, maybe my region's off by a hair, but let's just put it on the line and on the line here. So once I start breaking this zone here on 13.594, I'll be more interested in taking trades for going on the buy phase. But as you can see, we're already at negative 0.1. Oh, I have to switch here. Sorry, guys. There we go. Give it a few minutes for this market to kick in. 7,000 contracts, 5 minutes. They're just playing around. They might even get down to the bottom here. I'm not sure. I mean, it's FOMC. So FOMC, I just don't even bother until noon usually. And this is the reason why. It just bounces up and down, up and down, up and down. And you know what? I'm going to put this... Oh, let's see here. Let me just check one more thing, because I might even shut down this video until then. That's 5 minutes, eh? Everything's in correlation, though. Interesting. We break this level here. I don't know. I'm on a buy phase, so I'm gonna let them pull down before FOMC, and then at 2 o'clock and I can buy in. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll let them play this game going up and down, up and down. Other than that, I'm just gonna upload this video and we'll go from there. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. I'll wait till 2 and redo a video for you guys. Okay, so we're going to go 2. This is finally breaking through, and we're going to go 2. We finally decided their move. See if we can get about 10 or 12 points, 10, 15 points. Go for 10. Oh, break this 61.8. Bounce off to 50. Break at 61.8. There we go. $295 for today, guys. I was just waiting for it. It's going to still keep on going up. That's about it for today. It was a really short video. I was waiting for FOMC. They took a lot longer. They took until 2:30 before they made their decision. and they were just playing around. So now they're all confident, so they're going to buy back in. They might even go up to this zone, but I really don't care. The bottom line is for these videos, what I'm trying to show you is we're at 325 here at 52,700. I've got hopefully one more day to show you, and if it goes really well, we'll be finishing this one combine, and that's about it. I'll have to merge. I'm gonna have to do, and that's about it. And then you guys take care. Just before you trade, stay safe and have a good